Hey everyone, it's Paula here from the Excel Club and welcome to this week's Excel Curation Corner. This is the second week of the Curation Corner and the aim is to share with you interesting and helpful blogs and articles that I have read around the topic in Excel over the last week. Now below this video you will find a list of links to all of today's blogs and articles. But before we get stuck in, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so now. And don't forget to hit that notifications button so you don't miss any more of my videos. The first article we are going to look at today is found on Engineer Excel, and the title is Gaussian Fit in Excel. The Gaussian Fit is recognised for its bell-shaped curve and it has many uses, and it would often be necessary to fit a Gaussian function to a data set. In this article, Charlie goes through this in two different ways. Firstly, he looks at formulas and using Excel to carry out the calculation in a manual way. And then secondly, he also solves this using Solver. Now Solver is an amazing tool in Excel that can be used in a variety of ways, and it's great to see more use cases of Solver in action. The second post is a post by Deborah from Contexture's blog. The title of this post is Clear Old Items from Pivot Tables. The post is a short post, but it serves a great purpose. There's often times when old items appear in drop-down lists on pivot tables, and in this post you will learn with changes that you can make in pivot table options and in the default settings how you can solve this problem and prevent it from happening. This is definitely a great little post that solves a problem that many people encounter. Next on the list is an article from Towards Data Science, and it's titled Linear Regression in Python, Sklearn versus Excel. Now this is an interesting post as it looks to see if Excel makes a good alternative for approximate linear regression predictions in business cases. The author does so by comparing the prediction accuracy of multiple linear regressions of Sklearn with Excel. Linear regression is performed in Excel using the data analysis add-in, and then it is plotted on a chart. Predictions are made using Sklearn, and these are also plotted on a chart, so comparisons on the results can be easily seen. So do you think Excel makes a good alternative to machine learning libraries like Sklearn? Well, you're going to have to hop over to the post and have a read to find out. You'll find a link below this video directly to that article. The fourth post this week is from Excel Off the Grid. This post is titled Dynamic Arrays in Excel, and dynamic arrays are a really hot topic. They offer a new way of creating formulas and modelling your data in Excel, and it's very, very different to what we've been used to in Excel over the years. This post by Mark is a great introduction to dynamic arrays, showing you the basics of how they work and the errors that you can get, and it also introduces the concept of constant arrays. The use of constant arrays allows you to work with different columns that aren't beside each other, and it's a trick that most introduction articles on dynamic arrays does not cover. So again, you will find a link below this video, so do head over to Excel Off the Grid and take a read of this post on dynamic arrays. Now finally, this week is a news article that's been covered by a number of outlets that features Excel. The publication I am sharing with you is on the Verge, written by James Vincent. So basically what has happened is that scientists have had to rename 27 genes because they cause a conflict with formatting in Excel. Now these genes had names like MAR1, which when entered into a cell in Excel would convert to date formatting. It's an automatic convert. And this was often overlooked, and so the spreadsheets contained errors. Not only did spreadsheets contain errors, but many research papers on genes were also affected. To have a read of this full story, you'll find a link below the video, so do hop over and take a look. So that's it for this week, Excel's Curation Corner. There's a good mix of content in here at different levels, focused on different industries. I really hope that you enjoyed this selection, and a big shout out and thanks to all of the authors that I featured today. Don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, you can hit that button now, and I will see you again soon. Take it easy. Goodbye now.